Hey, this is Michael, and there's a good chance that you're looking for legit ways to make money online. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 4 legit ways to make money online starting today. So stay tuned. So just like you, I was finding for ways to, make money online that was legit, that was, real, and I found these 4 things that I'm going to share with you. So the first way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is the first way. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simply this. You're simply selling other people's products, and you're getting paid for it. That's it doesn't get any simpler than that. You're actually grabbing done for you products and you're promoting them, and then the company's gonna pay you for referring customers to them, right? And this is actually the easiest way to make money online if you're just starting out. The second way to make money online is coaching and consulting. Now, if you have a skill in some way, or you're an expert in an area that you have gotten lots of results, you can actually go online and help people take things to the next level. You can coach them, you can mentor them, you can help them out, give them some tips, and you can even charge per hour for this type of services, right? So there's a service-based way to make money online. So coaching and consulting. The third way to make money online is through digital products, meaning that you're creating a digital product. This could be a course, an info product. It could be a course that you recorded. This could be a webinar, and you can have this these digital products in a members area, and you can sell them over and over again. I know people that they have created digital products one time several years ago, and they just keep selling that course over and over again because it is that that helpful, right? They have to be valuable. They have to really be up to date with what's working now. Okay, so that's another way that you can make money online. So making your own products and deliver these products on the internet, either through a members area, or you can have people download. This could be a piece of audio, something that is virtually available for somebody. Okay, so that's your third way to make money online, is through digital products. The fourth way to make money online is through events and masterminds. And what I mean by this is that you can actually hold events. Either this could be a webinar, this could be at a certain location, and you can actually sell tickets for people to come and attend this event. Whatever it is that you're going to talk about. Maybe you can invite some people over that are going to go over a certain topic. So basically, you can also make money with events and masterminds, right? And these are the 4 best ways to really make money online in a legit way. Now, how do you get started now? You might be somebody that's just starting out. You might be somebody that don't have any experience in any of these 4 topics, right? But I have a shortcut for you. I have a gift for you that you can actually start making money online without having to have or know about any of these 4 things, right? And this gift that I have for you is actually on the link below this video, where I'm going to have a friend of mine. His name is Dave, and he's a multimillionaire. And we work closely. We're partners actually, and he can help you actually earn while you learn, right? He can help you come up with a business plan that's gonna best fit you in any of these categories, and help you really make money online, and is legit and is real, and you're gonna be happy that you took action on this. So if you wanna go ahead and take a look at it after learning these 4 ways of making money online, go ahead and click the link below this video, get access to that, and you can even get started for free. So it's a free business blueprint challenge, where you're going to learn exactly what to do and what you need to get started right now, and really get started, right? Really start making your first sale online. How cool is that? Learning from somebody, and somebody that really has created success for himself. All right, so take it from me. You should really trust me on this. This will be the best decision you ever made if you're really serious about making money online. Go ahead and click that link below this video, and we'll see you on the inside.